If you are a complete beginner or just want to refresh your memory on Excel basics calculation, then this video is for you. In this video, I will teach you the top 10 Excel basics yet powerful formulas to perform complex calculations without any prior knowledge or experience in using Excel. I will teach you how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I will also teach you how to find percentages, how to use averages, how to find minimum and maximum values, and how to compare and find values using the lookup functions. If you learn and implement these Excel 10 formulas, you will be able to do 90% of the calculations in Excel, and the good news is you're gonna learn them all year for free. In return, what I want you to do for me is to subscribe and smash that like button to help the YouTube to recommend this video to reach more people. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. One of the most used functions in Excel is the sum function. The sum formula allows you to do addition in Excel. In this video, I will teach you 3 ways to do addition. Here I have a list of employees with their total salary, income tax, and net pay. I want to find the total salary for all these employees. So the first way to find the total salary for these employees, go to your Home tab and then click on the auto sum symbol. As you can see, I have found the total salary for all these employees. To find the income tax and the net pay, I can copy this formula to the right, and there you go. The second way of doing sum in Excel is type equal, SUM, press the tab key on your keyboard, and if your values are in order, you can select them, press enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. Or alternatively, type equal, then select the value you want to add and press the plus sign on your keyboard and then select the next value. Again, press the plus sign on your keyboard and select the next value. Once you added all the values, then press enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. So as you can see guys, I have done the addition in 3 different ways. The second most used function in Excel is subtraction. Even though there is not any built-in formula for subtraction, but you can perform the subtraction easily. For instance, if I want to find the net pay for all these employees, I just simply type equal on my keyboard, then select the total salary, then the minus sign on your keyboard and select the income tax. Now press enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. As you can see guys, I have found the net pay for the first employee. If I want to find the net pay for the other employees, simply press Ctrl C on your keyboard and then select the employees you want to find their net pay. Press enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. The third most used function in Excel is multiplication. Same as subtraction, there is no built-in function called multiplication in Excel, but you can still perform multiplication in Excel. In this instance, I want to find the income tax for all these employees, and the tax rate is given 10%, although the tax rate is different from country to country, but this is an example I want to demonstrate how to do multiplication. So to find the income tax, type equal, then select the total salary, and then press the star key on your keyboard and select the tax rate. Now press enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. As you notice that I have found the tax for Anthony C. But if I want to find the tax rate for the rest of employees, first of all, I need to lock the tax rate by pressing F4 on your keyboard. Now when I drag the formula down, this will give us the correct value. And as you can see, there is a 10% tax deduction for all these employees. The next most used function in Excel is division. Same as subtraction and multiplication, there is no built-in function in Excel called division, but you can still easily perform the division. Let's suppose that you're working in the HR department and the company told you that you have $1,000 and you should pay this $1,000 to 4 employees as a bonus. So what you need to do, type equal and then type 1,000 divided by 4. As you can see, I've divided the $1,000 to 4 employees, so each employee will receive $250 as a bonus. The next most used function in Excel is called min. As the name suggests, it finds the minimum value in a range of cells. For instance, if I want to find the lowest salary for these employees, I will simply type equal min, then press the tab key on your keyboard to apply the formula, and then select the net pay of all these employees and then press enter. As you can see that I have found the smallest value in the list, which is belong to Kevin Walker. The next most used function in Excel is called max. What this formula does, it finds the largest number from a set of value. For example, if I want to find the highest paid employees in this list, I will simply type equal and then max, then press the tab key on your keyboard to apply the formula, select the employee's net pay, and then press enter on your keyboard. You see, I have found the highest paid employee in the list is Jennifer Bolton. The seventh most used formula in Excel is called average. It finds the average number from a list of value. For example, if I want to find the average salaries of these employees, I will simply type equal and then average, then select the employee's salary and then press enter. So the average salary in this company is $1,974. The next most used formula in Excel is percentage. Even though Excel doesn't have any built-in function called percentage, but you can still perform the calculation with percentages. To find the percentage of any values, first go to the Home tab and then press on this little percentage sign to format the cell as percentage. For example, if I want to find the percentages of the income tax year, I will simply type equal, then select the lowest value and divide this by the highest value, in this instance the total salary. As you can see guys, 10% of the employee's salary is considered as tax. The next most used function in Excel is called count A, also known as count all. What this formula does, it counts all the values in a selected range of cells. Let me give you an example. If I want to find how many employees we have in this list, simply type equal and then count A, press the tab key on your keyboard to apply the formula, then select the list of employees you want to count and press enter. As you can see, we have 13 employees in this list. The next most used function in Excel is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a very powerful function in Excel. With VLOOKUP, you can find specific information in any given table. For example, if I want to find the net pay for Kevin Walker in this table, I will simply type equal and then VLOOKUP, then press the tab on my keyboard to apply the formula. For the lookup value, select Kevin Walker, then put a comma, and for the table array, select the entire table, then put a comma, select number 4, looking for the net pay in the fourth column, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put number 4, then put comma again. VLOOKUP gives you two options, whether you are looking for approximate match or exact match. If you're looking for approximate match, you can either type 1 or true to find the approximate match, or for the exact match, you can either type false or put 0. In this example, I will put 0 and then press enter on your keyboard. As you can see, the net pay for Kevin Walker is $1,080. Please subscribe for more videos.